carry galaxies in your head. Dreams so bright they light up your nights. You can see the success, taste the future, feel the applause that hasn't happened yet. But when morning comes, your hands stay still. Your plans remain plans, and the day slips away like sand through open fingers. You whisper to yourself, "Tomorrow, I'll start tomorrow." And tomorrow arrives, wearing...
How much demand is there for videos in this physiology niche? Well, if you clicked on this video, you probably already have an idea. But still, let me show you some examples so you understand why creating a channel in this niche can be worth it. Before starting, I want to tell you about some specific requirements of this niche. Here, script is the king. You can use amazing graphics and editing, but everything becomes zero if your script isn't good. And trust me, writing scripts for these types of videos is something you learn slowly with practice. So to start our journey, we'll use a small trick. We'll take a popular video script and rewrite it with GPT. Now, some people will say, "Hey, that's copying." But dear, whenever a video goes viral on the internet, we all create our own videos using that hook. No one calls that copying. We're only taking the topic idea. GPT will help us create something original. If you understood the beginning of this video, smile, like the video, and let's move to our first step. I really like this topic, and this channel explained it beautifully. So I'll go to their description, click Show Transcript, then click the 3 dots. Choose Toggle Transcript, copy the script, open GPT. Type, "Create this script 100% original, as this is for my YouTube video." Paste the script, click Go, and boom, our script is ready. You can even check it in plagiarism tools. It will be copyright-free because we only used it for learning. Now I'll copy a small part of the script. Go to Google AI Studio Text-to-Speech. Click Single Speaker Audio. Paste the script. Choose a voice. I'm choosing Puck. Click Run, then click the 3 dots below and download the audio. Next, don't be scared when you see Canva. Open Canva, Videos, Elements, search Stick Figure. Many people still use simple stick figures, but here you can find lots of variety. I'll choose something different. Place it properly, take a screenshot. Then go to GPT again and type, "Create scenes for each storyline." I'm creating images in Whisk AI, keeping in mind reference image. Upload the screenshot, click Go, and see? GPT gives character prompts and scene prompts. Now copy the character prompt, open Whisk, paste it, choose aspect ratio, click Go. Whisk generates 2 images. Pick the one you like and drag it into the subject box so your character stays consistent. Then paste scene-wise prompts and generate images. If something looks wrong, regenerate. Once all images are ready, download them. To animate images for free, I'm using Meta AI. Some people just add voiceover images, but I want to be creative, so I animate them. Open Meta AI, Create, choose Aspect Ratio, upload scene images, choose Image to Video, click Animate. See how beautiful the animation looks? Download all animated clips. Finally, editing. These videos need minimal editing. If you didn't animate images, still edit the same way.
Add audio to timeline, place videos scene-wise, choose background music according to mood, keep voice full volume and background music low. Use auto captions and export the video. If you found this video even a little useful, please subscribe to the channel. And if you need any help, join my community, link in description. You'll meet many creators like you and get free resources too. So for now, bye! See you in the community or in the next video. Thank you!